Hello YouTube, today we're going to see how to fix game files, download error, check your network settings and try again in Genshin Impact. To fix this, follow the steps. The first step is make sure your network is working properly. Check your Wi-Fi or your modem that is working properly. Then the second step is you have to switch to Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. To do this, you have to go to search and go to control panel, and then you have to go to network and internet. From here you have to go to network and sharing. From here you have to go to your internet connection, then go to properties. Once you go here, go to internet protocol version 4, then go to properties, then go to use the following DNS server address. Here you have to enter preferred address as 1111. Then alternate address as 1001. Okay. Then always uncheck validate settings upon exit and just click on OK. So now you have to close this particular page. Alternately, you can use Google DNS by putting 8888 in preferred and 8844 in alternate and save. So once you're done with that step, then you have to go and open command prompt and run it as administrator. And now type the commands ipconfig release and click on enter and wait for 10 seconds. Then go to ipconfig renew and just wait for 10 seconds, and then ipconfig flush DNS and just wait for next 10 seconds. And now you have to restart your PC. All these commands I'll put in the description for your reference. And once you restart the PC, now you try to download Genshin Impact from the launcher, the download will resume. Just tell me in the comment section below that solution worked for you. Just give a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.